everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am making some quick and easy calzones. These are filled with some pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and some pizza sauce. Before I get started, if you're new here or haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and I would love to have you here on the channel, and let's get started. First, you're going to need a 14-ounce package of refrigerated pizza crust and roll it out. Then, cut the crust into 6 equal-sized squares. In the middle of each square, place a portion of marinara sauce. And then you're going to add some mozzarella cheese. And then add some pepperonis. I like to add about 5 pepperonis. Now you're going to fold the dough over into a triangle, just like the way I'm showing. Use a fork to press along the edges of the triangle to seal it closed. Then brush the top of each calzone with some melted butter. And then you're going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning over. Place each calzone on a baking dish that's been prepared with non-stick spray. You're going to bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 10 minutes or until the top of the calzones are golden brown. Serve with some warm pizza sauce and enjoy! Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys for my next video. Thanks for watching! Before you guys go, if you want to see some more pizza recipes, I'll have one right here. And if you want to see a dessert recipe, it'll be right below. And please make sure to click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching!